It finally is CS 2023 and the first announcement is from Roborock that announced the S8 family as well as the Dyad new cordless dry and wet vacuum, which is very interesting. So be sure to watch my other video about the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Roborock just announced the Dyad Pro and I'm really curious about this new cordless dry and wet vacuum. It's a fresh air breeze in the industry and I'm really curious to test it out. So if you are too, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I really can't wait to test that. So if the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra goes up to 6000 Pascal, which is a lot, this Dyad Pro goes up to 17,000 Pascal, which is more than double. So I'm really curious to know how well it performs. The mind-blowing thing is that it can vacuum and mop at the same time, so any kind of dirt, all the dried out, all the liquid dirt, it won't be a problem for you. With just one cordless vacuum you can at the same time mop and clean the surface. No wire, it's cordless, this is very cool. The Dyad Pro can smartly adapt the cleaning power, the water flow, and it also will dispense the cleaning solution according to the surface that you're cleaning. So it's super smart. It might look from some angle like a Dyson, but it definitely is a different product. So Roborock says that this is the mess solver, so if you have any dry or wet mess, it will resolve that. It's super impressive, the 17,000 Pascal, which is a lot, and the battery life is given up to 40 minutes, so it's a lot. The vacuuming system is made by a multi-roller cleaning system with two rolls, which is called Dyad Power TM, that rotate in opposite directions, so it ensures a very large and the 17,000 Pascal suction power. I really love the display. There is a Dartec smart sensor that will adapt smartly all the suction power and the water flow level according to the best cleaning result and battery life. Also there is the smart dock which automatically cleans the dual roller system. It will dry it out with warm air. The clean water tank is pretty big with 900 ml and the wastewater tank is 770 ml. The best part of all is that it will be available in January 2023, so it's really down the corner, and be sure to subscribe to the channel to see the first test. The price is €449 and $449.99, so we'll have to see how it works, but I'm super curious about this product because I really love to be able to mop and wash at the same time, just passing once, and resolve all the small messes which doesn't make sense to use a robot for. So this wraps up for today's CS episode of Roborock announcement. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more coverage on the CS and on Roborock product. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!